Happy Monday, everyone. Thanks for checking it as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Hope you had a good weekend. We're going to be tracking the tropics here, still very active in the Atlantic Basin, looking at some flash flood potential through Wednesday over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, and there will also be some spotty severe weather concerns showing up in a few spots. It's been about a week and a half now since the Hurricane Florence landfall, and of course we're still dealing with major flooding, even near record stage in a few spots, but North and South Carolina is still dealing with that. And interestingly, the remnants of Florence are still circulating in the Atlantic Basin here. Marginal threat of redevelopment over the next 5 days. We'll continue to watch that. Meanwhile, the only named storms that we have are Leslie and Kirk. Kirk is tracking to the west, and it could be impacting the Lesser Antilles as we head closer to the weekend, so we'll watch for that very closely. The Eastern Pacific, no named storms, but that one has a high probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days. We're looking at flash flood potential now through the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. And the potential here, again, is of anywhere from 2 to near 5-inch amounts through Wednesday. So that could, of course, lead to some heavy rain concerns as waves of showers and storms roll through. Here's our Monday, and then that blob of moisture rolls up into the northeast, and we'll have another reinforcing cool front coming up from the northwest, and that'll allow for more showers and storms to break out over that next few day time period. And then some of that rain through midweek could be approaching the northeast, maybe looking at some 1 to 2+ inch tallies there. Meanwhile, it is dry. We have more critical fire weather concerns in a few spots with red flag warnings in many locations in the western U.S. as well. Today's severe threat is pretty small, but it's a marginal risk out over the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, large-hail damaging winds, and then of course into our Tuesday from the Great Lakes to the Ohio Valley, and then by Wednesday that threat shifts into the northeast. So it is going to be pretty active. There are the remnants of Florence, you can believe that, and looking at those daytime highs to be quite cool as you head farther north.